join,
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 join can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, join can mean 1. An intersection of piping or wiring, and interconnect. 2. An intersection of data in two or more database tables. 3. The act of joining something, such as a network. 4. The lowest upper bound, an operation between pairs of elements in a lattice, denoted by the symbol (r). As a verb, join can mean 1. To connect or combine into one, to put together. 2. To come together, to meet. 3. To come into the company of. 4. To become a member of. 5. To produce an intersection of data in two or more database tables. 6. To unite in marriage. 7. To enjoin upon, to command. 8. To accept, or engage in, as a contest.
When you join the armed forces,